What's up, y'all? So in this video we're going to be talking about 3 different exercises that will help you build your shoulders super fast. Welcome to the channel, and if you guys are new here, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button because I'll be posting a ton of bodybuilding tips, weight loss tips, and a bunch of exercises that are super useful. So with that said, let's get started. First exercise you need to incorporate is a front raise with a weighted plate. I like to use this plate because it strictly targets your front deltoids. Since your hands are locked into one position, you keep your shoulders activated in a laser targeted area. So you want to be bringing that weight all the way up to your chin and then back down in a super and controlled motion. One key tip is not to let it rest at the bottom. You want to keep that muscle activated the entire time, because the more you keep the muscle working in the set, the faster you'll build, because it's turning more muscle fiber. And then if you are recovering efficiently through diet, sleep, then you are going to be promoting tons of growth. Now in regards to weight, and if you are new to this exercise, I would suggest going light. A 10-pound plate is pretty much ideal. I mean, no shame. You really want to just get this form down, and then once it gets easy, then you can move up to 25, 35, 45, put 2 45s together, maybe 2 25s together. I don't know, get super creative with it, but make sure it's not too easy and not too difficult. Too difficult being that, you're kind of just like swinging that weight up and just it's just looking like and we do not want that. Don't want that. So second on our list is going to be a one-handed barbell press. Now at first you may think this looks super weird, and it does look super weird, but it works. See, when you're bringing this barbell up, you're activating a lot more muscle groups than you would just using a regular dumbbell. Some muscle groups that come into play are your stabilizers. You're working a lot more of your core because you're trying to balance it, and then you're also engaging your forearm to hold that bar from smashing you in the face. And most importantly, your body is going to be shocked if this is a new exercise for you. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I always talk about how shocking your body promotes the best growth, because when you apply a stress that your body is not used to, it's gonna do whatever it takes to create more muscle to be able to do it. And this exercise, my friend, is a shocker. Alright y'all, so last on the list is a 90-degree dumbbell rotation. This one is another favorite of mine. I love to do this on my light accessory days. It's still a killer workout for your shoulders, and I mean, if this is again a new one for you, this is gonna shock it. So the benefit of doing this exercise is that it helps round out your shoulders. Doing this motion forward and back will create more muscle fibers, so it'll give you more of that round look that creates an amazing aesthetic. So how do we do it? We get some light dumbbells, not too light, but something that's a little challenging, and then we're gonna bring them up, keeping our elbows just parallel with the floor, and then bringing it forward and back. Okay, you don't want to curve it in just like that, not like an Arnold press. You just want to keep it stationary and then bringing it back just like that. So when you're bringing it in, your palms are facing each other, and then you bring it back out. Cool. And remember, the key to building any type of muscle is a combination of changing up your reps, your sets, the exercises, and the way you do those exercises. You gotta hit and target every muscle group from every angle possible. So there you have it, 3 quick, simple exercises that will help build mass in your shoulder, round it out, and more so, and hopefully shock your body. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys go ahead and press that like button and subscribe, because I will be posting, like I said, daily with tons more of these types of videos. I'm going to be posting a lot more of my recipes and just general tips on how to shred and build muscle. So it's pretty simple. All you got to do is subscribe, and you're in. So I'll see you in the next video.